morning. Today we're shooting another level 3. We're going to Magpantay firing range. It's 12 stages, couple 100 rounds. See you there. One sausage McMuffin without egg, and isa pang sausage with egg.
Damn good deal.
Alright, good morning. We're here in Magpantay firing range and we're shooting a level 3. So it was a long trip-ish. Alright, today we're using this unit. It's a Metrillo 1911 9mm. It's from my vault. It's an old unit that I have. Beautiful, beautiful gun. We'll see how this thing does. And yeah. So we're shooting about 200 rounds today. That's a total of 1,100 match points, something like that. Feeling okay today. Got to practice with this thing. Just one practice with this unit. Felt okay. I used this in some of my matches before. Reliable gun, but we'll see how it does today. Lots of shooters. Great day to shoot. It's pretty sunny, not so cloudy. Lots of shooters today. Really festive mood here. Gonna go register.
Good afternoon. My name is Leo. Welcome to stage 4. We have a short course consisting of 4 Ipsc target and 2 popper. Equivalent round to be scored, 10 rounds. Gun condition, option 1. Shooters, we have 2 popper connecting to the left and right swinger. Are you ready? Stand by. If you have finished unloading, show clear, hammer down, holster. Rest clear, time, 1096.
Okay ba? 2 alpha, 2 alpha. Hey! Hey! Alright, possible stage. I just put in 3 on the swingers just to be sure. Paid off because I had a delta there. In our sport, it's really score over time. So you have to be accurate and fast. Today in this stage, it was good.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
So to be good in our sport, you're evaluated by your accuracy and your time. Here we have a target. Alphas are 5 points, Charlies are 3 points, and Deltas are 1 point. If you hit this target, it's minus 10 points. If you miss completely, it's minus 15 points.
Damn.
Steal targets, if they fall, are 5 points. So, if I shoot a stage with 100 points, in 20 seconds, it's 100 divided by 20. My final score would be 5. 5 is basically like saying I got 5 points per second. He who has the most points per second wins the stage.
Come to stage 3. This is a short course. 12 minimum of rounds, 5 Ipsc target boards, 1 popper. Yung popper ay may running round 8.
He's a content creator, amazing content. We're gonna shoot this short course.
If you are finished unloading, show clear, if you have the holster. Raise your time, 11.56.
2 alpha. I think 1 Charlie over there. That was okay. Go re-engage. Pretty good.
Welcome to stage 7. Medium course consisting of 6 Ipsc target and 6 metal round target and 2 popper target. Stand by.
Delta on this target. Not many makeup shots. Decent on the swinging plate. We're on to the next stage.
I have a question, man. Why did you not take the moving targets?
Yeah.
Why did you go here and go back? Doesn't that take time?
Yeah, it does take time, but I think the reason why I did it is because you get 9 on the first port, and then it was an option between getting 2 on the swinger port and then 9. I think I just wanted to get the 9 out of the way first,
Tapos concentrate
and then
na.
go for the last port. So yeah, thanks. Nice question.
Are you ready? Okay, bye! Okay, pure finish. Unload and show clear. Hammer down.
Mas okay.
Poster.
Nag-mic nga! Mic on the swinger.
10 is a medium course composed of 9 Ipsc target boards and 4 Ipsc metal plates. Minimum round to be scored is 22 rounds. Gun condition, inserted magazine, chamber load. Condition 1 po. Please take note, platform will activate single swinger.
Ready?
Are you ready? Stand by. Finish, unload and show clear. Clear. Hammer down. Poster. Kita nga na alpha. Race is clear. Time 1933.
Lots of makeup shots, but I think the hits made up for it. All alpha for this
All
stage.
alpha.
Are ready? Stand by. Finish, load and show clear. Clear, hammer down, poster. Time. 1:55.
Woo! That was a nice run. That was a nice run. 1 makeup shot. Pretty good on the stuff. We'll check hits on the swinger. Alpha Charlie. Tinatlo eh. Woo! Solid run. I love that run. That was nice. Here we have a mini rifle. It's a 22 LR. These targets are really tiny. Whew. The heat is on, summer is back. Gotta hydrate. Got my blue bottle thing. That's my blue shirt. I'm not using my blue gun. Some shooters here. Everyone's waiting. We're doing this steel course now. That one.
4-round plate.
Yep.
3 Ipsc poppers. Okay, starting position, start anywhere. Heels touching the mark, facing down range, hands hanging naturally.
Stand by. Finish and load, show clear.
Clear, hammer down.
Clear time 1154.
Ah! I hit that black thing over there. I hit the black thing. I hit the hard cover. I hit that thing. I'm gonna put a circle right now. That thing without the person. Yeah. So.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to stage 2 short course here, consisting of 5 Ipsc targets, 2 Ipsc metal plate, open door, and step the activator of Crazy Muji target.
What did you say?
Crazy Muji target.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Let's go. Finish and unload. Clear, hammer down.
8-6. Oh my God. Best time.
Delta. Charlie Delta. That stage was okay. Charlie Delta on the crazy swinger. I wanted to put one more in, but then it would take a little bit more time. I wonder if the score would have been better if it was an alpha.
I guess we'll never know.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon. Welcome to stage 6. This is a short course. Consists of 2 Ipsc board, 3 Ipsc round plate, and 1 Ipsc mini popper. Gun condition, loaded. Sir, take note. Popper is yung ating activator sa ating pop-up. Okay, sir. Question?
Yeah.
Okay po. Good.
Thank you.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload the show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear. Time 9:04.
To Charlie. I think I rushed on the near board here. To Charlie on the full board. Rushed too much. Could have gotten more points, but it was okay. 1 makeup shot here, 1 makeup shot here, or 2. But it was okay. Next stage.
Welcome to stage 12. This is a long course consisting of 12 Ipsc targets, 6 round plates, and 2 poppers. Minimum of 32 rounds. Please take note, sir. Left popper will activate the swinger.
Okay.
Any question? Are you ready? Stand by. Release and load and show clear. If clear, hammer down. Okay, hammer down. Also. Range is clear. Time 2945.
For Charlie with 2-3 re-engage. Could have done better, but it was okay. It was okay. Next stage.
To stage 11, this is a long course consisting of 11 Ipsc board, 6 round plates, 2 poppers, total of 30 rounds.
There you go.
Starting position, heels touching the mark, facing downrange. Upon audible signal, engage all visible targets within the marketed firing zone only. Are you ready? Stand by! Load and show clear. Hammer down. Holster. Range is clear.
2-3-9-1.
391.
2-3-9-1. That was okay. Bad grip on the first one. Of Charlie.
2 alpha.
2 alpha. That was a good stage. I think I had 1 makeup shot on the last port. Pretty good.
Stand by.
Ay! So annoying. No patience. Need patience. Far plates didn't wait. Right, it's chrono time. Full.
Kala ko kasi minor na. Hindi. Kala ko pang minor na.
Bibigyan mo yung
All right, so we passed our chrono 127.7. Time to clean up. Whew. Stages are done. We ended the day with 1 miss and 3 deltas. Pretty decent. I That's a short course. That was pretty bad, and I got a mic on one of the swingers. Overall, I think I did okay. You know, considering practicing with this gun like once this week. I also used different ammo, but yeah, everything turned out okay. No gun malfunctions, thankfully. No jams, no duds. The courses were really technical today. Not really technical, but technical enough. It was really challenging, but it was actually very fun. A lot of guys showed up too today. I think I had a good match. So, on to the next one, I guess. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.